I'm thirsty, Nina.
Wait just a minute. Wait till Zach comes and I'll take you over. Get you something to drink. Here he comes.
Why can't Zach do a little bit of them?
Because he don't have, nobody has to hold on to it. He has to do it by himself. Way to go. All right, I'm saying, good job, Zach.
Let go.
All right, Zach, go, go, go.
51-692, 51-692.